Chief Kelly, wala pa rin ba yung hinihintay kong reinforcement?
Hanggang dyan na lang sila. Siguro'y karapat-dapat na tayo magdiwang, Joffrey. Alipin?
Engage!
Thunder Shurikens!
Bomber missile! Vanguard knuckle! Boomerang!
Joffrey? General Zul.
Mamaya na ako. Hindi pa ako nakakasiguro.
Bart, okay ka lang? Yeah, I'm okay. Just have a feeling, Big Bird. This is going to be a very bad day. Panzer Knuckles! Repair status!
Sir, repairs at 50%.
How much time do we need?
Engineering estimates repairs to take around 2 hours, sir.
What? Ganun katagal?
2 hours is not acceptable. General, permission to take command.
Assume command.
Is he a new player?
I don't know, but he looks like a big shot.
Follow these configurations to override damage systems.
Sir, sigurado ba kayo? Mukhang delikado yung pinapagawa niyo.
Hindi! Tama yung solusyon niya. Yep.
Just do it!
General, sino po siya?
You'll know later.
That should hold it for now.
General, gumagana na yung main system natin.
General, the force field barrier is back online. Ang galing niyo!
Activate the barrier.
Welcome to the fight, Dr. Hook. Congratulations, team.
Thank you, Dad. Hindi talaga tayo kaya ng mga aliens na yun. Panis yung mga yun.
Panis.
I think you're celebrating too early.
Kayo yung kumausap sa amin kanina, di po ba?
Team, this is Dr. Larry Hook. Siya ang bago ninyong commanding officer dito sa kampo. He was Dr. Smith's student. The position was offered to him previously, but he refused. Mabuti na lang nagbago ang isip niya and accepted the position nung nalaman niya yung nangyari kay Dr. Smith.
Dr. Larry Hook, welcome to our team.
Nakakapanibago po pala na may bago po kaming commanding officer. Opo, kaya sana po maging close din po tayo. Gaya ng best friend kong si Dr. Smith.
But I'm not here to make friends with you. I am here to help you win this war. And I'm also here to train you harder. Because I think you're not good enough.
Ining na naman. Ayun dyan, mukhang everyday bad day yata tayo ni...
Robert Armstrong. May problema ba tayo?
Wala, sir. I just so love training.
Good. Ganda na kayo para bukas. Sleep early and pray na mag-survive kayo. Dahil dalawa lang ang pwede niyong puntahan. It's either you shape up or you ship out.
Hindi ko kami natatakot, sir. Sanay na po kami.
Lieutenant Gordon, be afraid. Be very afraid. What the hell are you doing?
Sir, inaayos lang namin yung gamit ni Dr. Smith. For you, Dr. Hope.
No. Leave his belongings. This will always be the office of Dr. Richard Hamaguchi Smith. Understand?
Yes, sir. Sir, paano yung gamit niyo?
This is all I need. Now put back everything. Pero yung tray na yan, tanggalin niyo yan. Dito hotel. Move it! Sandali. Bonus team, are you ready for your training exercise?
Yes, Doctor.
Yabang, ha? Launch the Hawk and Falcon class missiles.
Sir?
Hindi mo ba ako narinig? Paulanan mo ng missiles ang Voltes 5.
Ay, sir. Missiles away.
Madedetect niyo ba yung missiles from the camp? Dr. Hook, what's going on?
The exercise is to evade those missiles without using any of your weapons. I'll kick you out if you fail to follow my instructions.
Secret class missiles yung mga yan. Bad news!
Ipapatayin nyo kami sa pinapagawa nyo eh.
Then die, you bunch of amateurs.
Sabi nito.
Danger, danger! Kuya, malapit na yung missile sa atin!
Everyone, drop altitude to sea level now! In your speed. Get ready to do evasive maneuvers and please watch your terrain. Roger?
Roger.
All right, here we go.
Wow!
Buti na lang nakaiwas tayo sa mga seeker missiles. Malito! Pwede tayong mamatay sa mga pinapagawa ni Dr. Hook.
Doctor, do we really have to do this? Parang sobrang naman na ata to eh.
No nonsense. You know, if you die, it's because of your carelessness.
Kahit kailan, hindi papagawa sa amin ni Dr. Smith to. Akala ko ba protege niya kayo?
Did I fall short of your expectations? Because you surely fall short of mine.
Ayoko na. Sobra na to.
Not too quick, Little John. Only if you have mastered the spin technique, then you can go back to the base.
Doktor, pwede niyo ho bang sabihin na lang sa amin kung anong objective nitong exercise na to?
Just do what I say! At pwede ba huwag na kayong maraming tanong? Walang babalik dito sa base hanggat di tayo tapos. Now, execute the V formation at full speed. Natutunan nyo na magpabilis. Now it's time to spin. Move it!
Power trip tayo nito ni Dr. Hook.
Oo nga. Umalis na tayo rito.
Kaya alis, Little John. Papatunayan natin sa Dr. Hook na yan kung sino talaga tayo. That we are trained by the best. Hindi tayo amateurs, guys. Team, get ready to do the spin fly technique.
Mach 1. Mach 2. Mach 3. Mach 4. Mach 5. Hypersonic.
Mach 6.
Mach 7.
Mach 8.
Mach 9!
Mach 10.
Now spin!
Go! Spin fly technique!
Spin faster.
Sir, yung biosigns nila are reaching critical levels.
Humihinga pa sila, di ba? Tuloy ang training exercise.
Team, hang on! Hang on!
Spin faster.
Look! We're at maximum speed. Baka mapahamak po kami dito.
Shut up! Spin like tops and master the technique. Otherwise, hindi matatapos ang training ninyo.
Let's just do it. Go, go, go!
Di ko na kaya! Pulling out! Pulling out! Be careful, Little John! Little John! Little John!
Little John! Little John!
Guys, all our biosigns are going red!
Break formation now! Little John!
hirap ng pinapagawa niya, Octo One.
Yap, yap.
Dr. Hook! Enemy detected!
Red alert!
Sir, ang taas ng energy level ng Beast Fighter na to.
It's not like what we fought before.
Voltus Steve, may paparating na Beast Fighter. Ngayon, mukhang pinaghandaan nila kayo. Sabihin niyo sa akin, paano niyo tatalunin ang isang yan kung mahihina kayo?
Susobra ka na talaga.
Kaya ayoko nang lalampa-lampa kayo. That's why I want to train you harder than before. O ngayon, di ba gusto niyo patunayan ang sarili niyo? Then show me!
Yung papatunayan talaga natin sa Dr. Hook na yan na magagaling tayo. We're not a bunch of amateurs.
Siya lang naman yung nagsasabing wala tayong kwenta eh. Di ba? Eh, napakarami nga nating natatalong Beast Fighter, oh.
Oo nga. Sisusi lang lahat sa atin eh.
Hindi ko alam kung saan planeta galing yung Dr. Hook na yan. Pero hindi niya kilala kung sinong hinahamon niya.
Let's just shut him up, guys.
Prepare to vault in. Let's vote!
Superhero landing para sa'yo, Dr. Hook.
Draco, umpisa ng pag-atake.
Joffrey, nakikiusap ako. Pag-uwi natin ang ating strategiya.
Shibar, ipaliwanag mo ang iyong sarili.
May natagpuan akong kahinaan ng ating kalaban na maaari natin gamitin laban sa kanya. Pahintulutan niyo kung bumalik sa ating himpilan upang maisagawa kong pagbabago ng armas ng ating Beast Fighter. Nakatitiyak ako. Ito ang magdadala ng tagumpay sa atin.
Kung gano'n, binibigyan kita ng pahintulot.
Zyros, bumalik sa himpilan. Basgon!
Prepare to fight, team. Brace for impact!
Hoy! Bumalik ka rito! Easy peasy ah. Di man lang tayo nahirapan sa kalaban natin.
Takot yata. Kaya naduwag.
Oo nga, umurong agad eh. Kasi nga, magagaling tayo.
Yes, Little John. Kaya nga malaking tiwala ako sa team na to eh.
Do you really call that a fight?
Ba't, hindi niyo ba nakita yung nangyari? Tinakasan nga ho kami ng kalaban eh.
But I'm not impressed. Walang magbabago. Tuloy ang training nyo. You have a lot to prove.
Move it!
Team, let's vote out.